Hey you business owning legends, this is Kevin Bees, Director of Basic Bananas, and I want to share with you a tool that is super important for us in this day of AI. So this tool is called Scribe.com. Now there's a reason why you're going to want to understand this tool, because as we begin to use AI more and more, we're going to want to start putting things in processes and automating them. If we're going to hand over a task or a job to an AI agent to complete for us, if we're going to hand it over to a digital team member to do it for us, they need very clear step-by-step instructions. Now, one easy way that we can document our step-by-step processes is using a tool like Scribe. Now, this primarily is traditional software, but they do have some AI-powered features to help write and edit, the text and the context in these guides. So, what I want to show you is just a quick example, okay, of how we can use this. I'm going to do a demonstration in the browser, but you can also have this on your desktop. So anything you do on your computer, this will document for you in a very quick and effective way. So I can come into here, into scribehow.com. I can click right now. I'm going to do one in the browser. I'm going to start a new tab for the case of this. Now, maybe I'm going to teach you right now how to find out the results of the English Premier League. So it's now captured my browser. Okay, wonderful. And so I'm going to say English Premier League results. Okay, now you can see on the right hand side, what it is doing is it's documenting what I've clicked and where I've done. Now I want to see the table. Maybe I want to see the table, so I can click the table and I can see the table, and then I'm going to scroll down, and maybe I really have an interest in Manchester United, maybe today. Now, what it's doing on the right hand side is captured every step by step what I've done and how I've moved, and maybe I want to see the full match schedule here as well. Now I'm going to complete the capture. And now it's completing the Scribe. It's going to show step by step what I did, and and here we go. So yeah, okay, here's how to find Manchester United's full match schedule. Right, you go to google.com, you click in the bar, you type in the details, you hit enter, you click the table to expand it, you click Man United, and then you click see full match schedule. Step by step, so someone can follow that super easy. Isn't that cool? Do you think that's cool? It gives you the ability to share the buttons here. Now, I love doing this for things that I would have to do on a regular basis. So as a financial expert, business owners often ask me to review their financial numbers and identify where they're leaking profit in their business. So to have to show them every time how to give me access, don't really want to do that. But if next time someone says, oh, how do I give you access? Great, I've already got one here ready to go. I can click, tell them, hey, look, you click here, you click in settings, you click in users, and of course they can see this and follow this step by step. So anyway, that is my tip for today. Scribe How. It's an absolutely awesome tool for you if you want to start training your team, but also keep in mind for you to train your AI and your AI team members, your digital team members. Okay, that's a wrap. If you want more help and more guidance in how to integrate AI into your business, I'd love to see you at one of our free masterclasses. We have an AI masterclass coming up very shortly. If you want to click on the link wherever you're watching this video, we'd love to have you come along, and then we can help you understand more ways to make more profit in your business, get more time back in your life, just get more work off your plate. We're finding AI is just so very helpful now at producing high quality marketing content, high quality videos, images. It's so good at getting rid of a lot of the repetitive administrative stuff that you're doing. So we'd love to have you along and show you what our community is doing and how it's making a very positive impact on their business. We'll see you soon.